Hey, if you're trying to log into Discord and keep getting the email not verified message, yeah, that can be really frustrating. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix the Discord email not verified problem in 2026. Let's get you back in. First, check the email inbox for the account you signed up with. Look for a verification email from Discord. Don't forget to check your spam or promotions folders. Sometimes it ends up there. If you can't find it, don't worry. Discord lets you resend the verification email. On the login screen, click Resend Verification Email and wait a few minutes. Sometimes it takes a bit to arrive. Make sure the email you entered is correct. A typo can prevent the verification email from reaching you. If needed, update the email address in your account settings or try signing up again with the correct email. VPNs or proxies can sometimes block verification links. Try turning them off temporarily and then open the verification email again. If clicking the verification link still doesn't work, try opening it on another device or browser. Sometimes browser settings or extensions block the verification process. If all else fails, contact Discord support. Provide your account details and explain that you can't verify your email. They can help manually verify your account. As a tip, avoid creating multiple accounts with the same email and double-check your inbox for verification emails immediately after signing up. This prevents email verification issues in the first place. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve the Discord email not verified problem and get you back into your account. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.